In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert existing data into a table using Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a powerful tool that's widely used for organizing and analyzing data, and knowing how to make tables is an essential skill for getting the most out of it. Whether you're managing a simple budget, tracking a project's progress, or dealing with complex data sets, tables can help make your data clearer and more accessible. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you need to open your Google Sheets document that contains the data you want to convert into a table. If you haven't already done so, create or locate your file and open it in your browser. Now, take a look at the range of data you want to format into a table. This could be a few rows or an entire sheet of information. When you're ready, simply click and hold your mouse button, then drag it over the cells of your data range to select them. This highlights the area that will become your table, ensuring that every part of your data is included. Once you've selected your desired data, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page and click on the Format menu. It's located between the Insert and Data menus. From the drop-down list that appears, you'll want to look for and select the option labeled Convert to Table. This is the magical button that will transform your regular data into a properly formatted table in just a few clicks. After you've made your selection, Google Sheets automatically gets to work, creating a table for you. You'll see it appear instantly, with clean lines and additional options for customization. One of the great features Sheets offers is the ability to set column types. This means you can define whether each column should be formatted for text, numbers, dates, or other data types, helping you keep everything organized and consistent. If your dataset grows or you simply need more columns for additional information, you can easily expand your table. Look for the plus sign, which is conveniently located next to your table. Clicking this allows you to seamlessly add more columns, giving you the flexibility to adapt your table as your data needs change over time. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your existing data into a table using Google Sheets. Creating tables not only organizes your data, but also enhances its readability and functionality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, mastering this simple yet effective tool can significantly improve your data management capabilities in Google Sheets. Don't forget to take your time exploring the customization options available to you, as these small adjustments can have a big impact on the utility and clarity of your tables. Happy spreadsheeting!